Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate through the world of digital communication. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of us face: how to rejoin a WhatsApp group after you've left it. Whether you accidentally exited or decided to take a break, getting back in is easier than you think. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is where your journey begins. Once you're in, locate the group you want to rejoin. You might not be able to see it in your chat list anymore, but you can still find it by searching for the group name in the search bar. Now here's the crucial part. You need to get an invitation to rejoin. There are two ways to do this. If you have a good relationship with the group admin or another member, you can simply ask them to share the group invite link with you. This link is usually found in the group info section. Once you've got the link, it's smooth sailing. Tap on the link, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can join the group. Click on Join Group, and you'll be back in the conversation in no time. It's that simple. If you're having trouble finding the link or getting in touch with an admin, don't worry. You can always try messaging them directly and asking for the link. Remember, if you've left the group multiple times, there might be a waiting period before you can rejoin, so be patient. Rejoining a WhatsApp group is all about communication and a little bit of tech savvy. By following these steps, you'll be back in your favorite groups in no time, catching up on all the conversations you missed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.